Always stay mindful of your actions to prevent any chance of a serious accident.
Every kind, stories of love, adventure, and mind. Jump into the magic, there's Luna who dances in the moonlit beams, and Shadow, the hero of daring dreams. Tiny paws that chase a stream, big purrs that make your heart sing. From alleyways to cozy homes, every cat story finds its own tone. The bond was just so true. It's straight to you. Oh, cats of every color, every kind. Stories of love, adventure, and mind. Jump into the magic, don't be shy. Explore the world of Cat AI. Or the wisdom of a cat who's seen the deep. Their lives are vivid, their hearts are bright. In Cat AI we bring them to life. So hit subscribe, let's take the ride. The purrs and whiskers side by side. A channel of stories, smiles, and sighs. Welcome to the world of Cat AI.
Max and Jess, who met in college, got married and built a beautiful, happy family, expecting their second baby. However, little did they know that their happiness would soon be shattered.
Adventures big with zero flaws. A street in the city, a queen on her throne, a mischievous kitten who lives alone. Every owl holds a story to tell. In Cat AI's world, all is well. All is well. Cats of every color,
Good night.
every
Sleep well.
kind. Stories of love, adventure, and mind. Jump into the magic, don't be shy. Explore the world of Cat AI. There's Luna who dances in the moonlit beams, and Shadow, the hero.
One fateful day, when Max went to drop off Kitty at school, Jess decided to clean the house and take a bath afterwards. Unfortunately, as she was leaving the bathroom, she slipped and fell, causing her to bleed and cry out in pain.
I'll be there shortly.
Your daddy will be here soon.
In Cat AI, we bring them to life. So hit subscribe, let's take the ride. The purrs and whiskers
so sorry, but we lost
side
Max.
by side. A channel of stories, smiles, and sighs. Welcome to the world of Cat AI.
I miss you so much. I feel so lonely with the little ones without you. Benny's school organized a Christmas food fiesta for the kittens, and Benny was so happy and excited to attend.
Ice cream, chocolate, and all kinds of treats. From biscuits to pasta, he couldn't say no. More, mama, it's Christmas, you know. His bedroom, he so mama warned.
Benny ate so much that his belly became swollen. But when he saw ice cream, he couldn't resist indulging further.
He's crying out loud.
Benny's tummy began to grumble loudly.
First a big fart, then he puked.
Benny was in pain as his stomach continued to grumble.
He got home, oh,
He began vomiting and soiling his clothes, leaving his friends covering their faces in discomfort and dismay. Benny was rushed to the hospital as he couldn't stop vomiting.
his head, little kid.
There, he was treated and given an injection to help him recover. Gradually, he regained his strength. Remember, overeating can be harmful to your health, so always eat in moderation.